John Wood reporting, September the 4th, Lewis County, Missouri. This is a new piece of property I took ownership over in the late fall of 2023. This is the first time this hillside has been grazed, and this is really the day one of soil regeneration. You give me 15 years here and this property will be 3 times as productive as it is today. We're going to start storing carbon. See the barn swallows flying around tonight. They're having a picnic. They're after bugs the cattle are kicking up, part of the biodiversity. And but anyway, this is a perfect setting. Missouri hills, the only thing this land is fit for is producing beef. And the only ingredient we have in this beef is the forage you see they're standing on and consuming right now. So no artificial ingredients. This is the way the good Lord intended for cattle to be raised. It's been going on for millions of years. These are forage consumers, these are herbivores. And they are specializing in their 4-chambered stomach, processing this into great meat products to sustain the civilization. And these guys are just happy as a lark. They get moved to new grass every day, and this is almost like a postcard setting. So thank you for listening. John Wood reporting, over and out from Lewis County, Missouri, September the 9th. Thank you.